Want to make your Instagram stories pop and reflect your unique style? Let's dive into changing the background color behind your text or images. This tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon to create a new story. Now, take a picture or video. Alternatively, you can swipe up to select an image or video from your camera roll. Once you've snapped or chosen your media, tap the R icon in the top right corner. This is where we'll add text. Type in the text you want to use. For example, you could type a tip or a call to action. After typing your message, you'll need to tap on the color palette icon at the top, beside the text alignment icon. This opens up a colorful selection of preset colors. Tap on each one to preview them as the background, but we can customize our colors even further. To access more color options, tap and hold on any of the color bubbles. Then, you will see a spectrum of colors. Drag your finger around to select a custom color by tapping on your desired color. You can also select a color by pressing the eyedropper tool to select a color. Once you change the background colors to your desire, you can also add stickers and other elements to the story to make it pop. Make sure you hit that share button to post your story when you are ready. Congratulations! Your story now has a customized background. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the background color on your Instagram stories. Now go out there and create some amazing content. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other Instagram tips. #Instagram tips, #story design.